This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles, and we are at the Herod Historical Cave. Walk over here and see what's on this marker. Memory of Ray Wallace. Not sure who that is or what. There may be another side to this, I don't know. I was seeing more pictures than just this one cave right here. Chimney here. Something. I guess there must have been a building here at one point. Looks like a foundation here, a small building. Looks like there was a building here. There's the ruins of it. Looks like that building came all the way down to here. And had a fireplace right here. Little stone house across the street there. Kind of cool. It looks like the building that was here was built right into the side of this cave. See the block wall concreted in?